We today we have got Mr. Jakir with us, and thank you, sir, for taking out time on this weekday, because I do understand it's very difficult, for people to actually take out time. I will just give a brief introduction about Mr. Jakir. Mr. Jakir has been into facilities for a very long period of time. He has worked for companies like Convergys India Services, Cantor Global Delivery Center, where he was director facilities and commercials, and now he's director administration and facilities at ACS Solutions. As I can read from all the feedbacks and from my personal interactions as well, sir is a game changer. Has actually came out with a number of innovative solutions as far as facilities go, and many people do consider him to be a kind of a person who takes challenges head on, and and is result driven as well. We welcome you, sir, on this platform of Memory Bits, and we would like to know a little bit more about how you started and how you developed yourself as a person into facilities. So we'll start from the very beginning, sir. So Jakir sir, if I ask you how were you as a child, तो कुछ भी याद है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ वाइल्ड इमेजिनेशन, बचपन में कैसे थे आप?
बहुत कुछ याद है. First of all, Rishi, let me thank you for giving this opportunity, and I feel privileged to give interview to your channel. As you very rightly asked me the first question, childhood memories याद है, मुझे सब कुछ याद है. I am that person who will not forget anything. One thing, if I tell you, my first standard से लेके आज तक extra curriculum activities में what all I have won, I have the certificates for all that. First standard to 10th standard. So into childhood, everything I remember everything.
So sir, were you a kind of a very studious person, or you were like कि नहीं थोड़ा extra curricular में भी है, थोड़ा studies में भी है, you were kind of a very round personality as such,
Yeah,
as a child?
you can call me as a all rounder, but not in sports. I don't know why sports और मेरा कभी बना नहीं. If you ask me what is the one sport you play well, I can say football. वो अभी I don't know. I will try again, but मुझे लगता है मुश्किल है. But yes, I was an all rounder. You can call it as.
Yeah. Also, family background. If I talk about your family background, so how was your family, especially your mother, father, and siblings only?
Yep. I would say that my father was a cloth merchant. We had our own small factory. Factory मतलब बहुत छोटी, जहाँ पे 3-4 मशीनें हैं, and literally my father used to sit there. I remember my mother used to go there. I used to do that ironing of clothes. When new stitching was done on the cloth, I used to do that ironing on clothes. So it started from there. My father never allowed us to think for a moment also that we are not privileged. So he was like always ensuring that our dreams are fulfilled. He tried us to give whatever we wanted. I miss him now. He's no more. 2014, Feb 14th, he expired due to cancer. And my mother is there. She's with me. She stays with my sister, very close to me. If you ask me, what was that your mother and father you have learned from your mother and father, is one thing what I've learned is respect for individual. That's what I've learned from them. Be it Kamali Bai or be it anybody, any richest person in the world, the treatment should be same.
सर, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स अगर आप नहीं भी बोलते ना, तो मैं तो आपको ऐसे ही डिफाइन करता हूँ. If I have to take one line for you, it will be respect for all individuals. This is what I have seen you even observing inside office as well, whatever small interaction I had. सर, तो बिजनेस क्लास से आने के बाद, सिंस योर फादर वाज अ क्लोथ मर्चेंट, सो यूजुअली ऐसा देखा गया, मेनी टाइम्स यू विल फाइंड आउट इज दैट कि जो बच्चे होते हैं फैमिली में, दे गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स डूइंग बिजनेस. सो कभी ऐसा आपके दिमाग में नहीं आया कि मुझे भी कुछ बिजनेस करना है, अपना कुछ करना है, समथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट?
Very good question. A little background. I'll go to a previous question first and come back to this. I am a Gujarati. There is a community called as Memans. We are Muslim Memans. And in this community, I don't think you will find more than 1% people doing works. Everyone is into business. So I still remember I got failed in one subject in 10th standard. और मैं जब घर आके पापा को बताया था कि पापा एक सब्जेक्ट में मैं फेल हो गया, मजा आ रहा है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. He got laddus and he served to entire family members saying that ये अभी दुकान में बैठेगा, ये पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा. So that is what the background was. But I had in my mind clear कि मुझे कुछ करना है. and I don't know कैसे हो गया पढ़ाई पीछे से छिपके पढ़ाई की मैंने. I have worked as a housekeeping boy also when I was doing the studies because I didn't want to put the burden on my father. So I have worked in a bar and restaurant where I had to clean toilets to fulfill my studies fees and all these things. I never wanted to put any burden on my father, so I never asked him any money, and I never expected also. He gave us a good life, and we were happy with that.
That is such an inspiration, sir. And sir, how did you land into St. Joseph's, Mysore then?
See, I was born in Mysore. We call it as Bangalore because Mysore थोड़ा बहुत छोटा शहर है, शर्म आती है बोलने में. So we call it as Bangalore boys.
Uh,
Mysore is what I was born, and I started my studies from a school called as Teresian Convent, which is first to seventh. I had studied there, and then from eighth onwards, I moved to St. Joseph Convent because Teresian it was not allowed for boys after seventh.
okay, and then you did your graduation from St. Joseph's. Um,
First thing, Rishi, I'm not sure you're aware or not. I should have put this in LinkedIn because I proudly say it. I'm an undergraduate. So I
okay.
did my first year BCom. I did my second year BCom on correspondence, and I have all my certificates. Near that final year BCom time, my father became really ill due to the kidney stone issue, and it was a little hectic time of my life, I'll tell you. So I didn't have any other option than just ensuring that the business what he has was taken care for a year or two, and that is when I missed this BCom final year, and I'm an undergrad, correspondence undergrad. Yeah.
That's so inspirational, sir. So there comes a question in my mind कि आज की डेट में if you see the world, बहुत सारा डिस्कशन चलता है कि कॉलेज जाने की क्या जरूरत है, सब कुछ तो ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, आप ये पढ़ सकते हो, वो पढ़ सकते हो. व्हाट डू यू थिंक सर कि कॉलेजेस का इंपॉर्टेंस अब कम हो गया है और आर दे स्टिल इंपॉर्टेंट दीस डेज क्योंकि सारे कोर्सेज तो ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है.
Right. See, if you ask me this question, you have asked me at the right time. This pandemic time, I would say this is the right thing to do online because we have seen it. Everything can happen online. So we are doing our calls online. हमारे ऑफिस के सारे काम चल रहे हैं, and there is no distract. I've not seen any office also saying कि काम नहीं चल रहा है. Everyone is happy. Everyone's work is happening. Maybe not to that extent what it was expected, but हो रहा है. And people are comfortable with that. चल रहा है. So I'm sure this is due to pandemic. I will say yes. But if you generally ask me, I would say that don't miss that college जाने वाला जो मैंने miss किया है. Don't do that. Go to college, enjoy that 4-5 years. Your next life, whatever is there, your professional life, whatever you do, is more dependent on what experience you have in that college and how are you and what kind of person are you. So it depends on that. That's what my saying is.
That is correct, sir. And you end up making a lot of friends in college as well, sir, who remain your friends forever. Right?
Yep. At right now in my house, there are 5 people sitting just behind this wall, and all are my childhood friends. My wife is in Delhi right now. Some work had come and she's gone there. So these 5 people, just I gave a call. My wife is not there, and they have come here. These are all 25, 30 years back friends. We are still connected so much. So if they call me anytime in the night, I am ready for them. I just rush, and when I call them, they are here.
And sir, as a child, means if I ask you as a child, how were you? Means you used to fight with the other kids, or you were like कि very humble, ठीक है, कुछ बोल दिया, let us not mind it.
Let me tell you straight and forward answer, right answer. ये लोग अगर these are my friends who were there in my schools. ये लोग अगर टॉयलेट भी जाते हैं ना, डरते हैं कि जाकिर कहीं से देख तो नहीं रहा है. That is, I swear that is the situation. If you want, I can call them one by one and you can ask me what kind of person they are. I'm a naughty person. I was a very naughty person. मुझे लोगों को तंग करने में मजा आता था. अभी भी आता है बट कर नहीं पाते. तंग मतलब नॉट टू दैट एक्सटेंट कि किसी को तकलीफ पहुंचाऊं, बट यहाँ छोटी मोटी चीजें जैसे कि किसी का शर्ट खींच दिया, कभी किसी को पैर दे दिया, वो बोलते ना गुलाटी मार दी.
मतलब शरारत करने में सर, लाइक
बहुत ज्यादा अभी भी हूँ. अभी भी बहुत शरारती हूँ.
तो मम्मी पापा से कभी पिटाई नहीं लगती थी सर कि ऐसा क्यों किया?
पापा ने मुझे बस एक ही बार पीटा था, मुझे अभी भी याद है, थप्पड़ मारा था. दैट वाज बिकॉज मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock आई वेंट and that day was a band in Mysore, and I was part of that band because we had a gang and we all went to support that band, and we came back at 10 o'clock in the night without seeing the parents at home and all these things. और बहुत पिटाई हुई थी पापा से, वो एक ही बार हुई थी. मम्मी से तो नॉर्मल था, रोज पिटते थे, वो नॉर्मल हो गया. अभी भी पिटता हूँ, मम्मी कभी भी थप्पड़ मार देती है, आज भी चलता है वो.
अच्छा सर, so you started your career in Dell International Services, am I right, sir?
Professional on papers, yes.
On papers, yes. As a facility executive, so this was your first time where you were doing something related to facility, or you had a previous experience as well?
In between, on papers, as I say, the Dell was first. Between this housekeeping job and getting my
Hmm,
degree and family issues
hmm,
and joining Dell, there is a store called as Crystal Supermarket, which is in Bangalore, a Bellandur area. This
hmm,
supermarket was huge and it had villas behind the supermarket. There were around 300 villas and villas ke bilkul bahar mein supermarket thi. And I
hmm,
remember I was around 23, 22 years, yeah, something. And at that point of time, I worked there for around 6 months as a store manager. There
hmm,
is no papers. It was a small, matlab, company was really small. It was a huge supermarket. So from that experience, I was there happy working everything. And suddenly one day I thought, why shouldn't I try IT? And I just put a call center interview for Dell.
hmm,
And Dell called me for call center interview. I went there. I cleared first round. I cleared second round. In the final, they do a voice round where we are made sit in a soundproof room, and
hmm,
somebody else is listening from other side. That how is my tone and how is my voice variations and all these things. So when I was doing that, I got failed in that. They said your voice is not clear or something like that was there. I don't remember. They
hmm,
did this and they rejected me. I went home.
hmm.
There was a lady called, she was my first manager, Sunali Bendre. Sorry, not
Hmm.
Bendre, sorry. It is Sunali, I don't remember the full name. She
Sonali
called
Bendre is
me.
the actress, sir. Like,
Yeah, actress, sorry. So her name was Sunali. I called her Sunali Bendre, so I told you. It is Sunali, I remember her name. So
huh.
she called me and she said, you came for a call center interview over here. I need
Hmm,
a facilities executive over here with your experience in this supermarket handling. I wrote there that 1 year I've been doing this. So we
hmm,
feel that you can manage this role. Are you interested? So I
hmm.
just wanted to get inside IT and दिमाग में था कि कुछ करना है and I said ठीक है let me see and how it goes and that day 2012 July I think I started and till now I'm in facilities.
So from this, I've got a very crucial question. जो आजकल these days youngsters gets demotivated on small failures,
Mhm.
right? कि 10th में खराब number आ गया, 12th में खराब number आ गया, and there's a lot of suicides and depression incidents which are increasing day on day. But looking at stories of your kind of people starting from being a facility executive to director operations, which is a senior management level place, without being a graduate also. Right. Sir, what will be your one special advice to these small kids or these small youngsters who feel that, if they have lost one battle, one war, they have lost the battle?
Okay, the question what you have asked is okay. The millennials is what you said
Yes,
mentioned.
yes,
The
yes,
millennials.
yes.
Okay, see what I can say is millennials are into the blood is always running. I think they're always on their toes. They want change very frequently. उनको सब कुछ immediately चाहिए. Amazon पे अगर ऐसा option आ जाए ना कि immediate
Hmm,
delivery and 200 rupees extra, they will do everything. मतलब मैं
yeah.
बटन दबाऊंगा और घर के अंदर चीज आनी चाहिए. That is what millennial is. So
Hmm,
all those things are fine, but what I'll tell you, millennials से फायदा भी हो रहा है हमको. They are thinking and we are adapting towards that. I'll tell you, not exactly 100%, but yes. But the message to them is, I would say, do whatever you want to do. If you want to do a haircut, there is a course of haircut. There's a
hmm,
course of maybe some beautician, or there's a course of massage. I'll tell you, or there's a course of somebody has an interest in making app, or anything is there. Now, whatever you do, दिल से करो. जब आप
hmm,
दिल से कुछ करते हो ना,
hmm,
you get more interested towards it. And I'll tell you something. The work I do, I am
hmm,
always having a passion about it. कि आज तो हो गया, कल क्या करना है नया.
hmm,
So that is what I am pushing I mean inclining towards and telling my team also कि रोज कुछ नया सोचो. Whatever you're doing, do the same thing but in a different way. और वो जो मैं आपको अभी बोल रहा हूँ millennials के बारे में, if they do whatever they are doing from heart ना, they will stick to a place and they can beat all the records. But वही अगर आप एक दिन के लिए कुछ सोचते हो, आज ये करूंगा कल वो करूंगा, you're not
hmm,
clear in your mind. So be clear first. Take your
hmm,
parents' help, take your friends' help, take your teachers' help. Whoever you feel your idol is, try to speak to them. आजकल Facebook Messenger में बहुत easy है. I still feel privileged.
hmm.
There are 2-3 superstars who have responded to my Facebook Messenger. I just sent them and they responded. I felt very happy. I felt very happy. Write to your idol. Maybe they give you a good option, and that will be a great help for you. I'm sure you will listen to your idols.
Right. Uh, Sir, what was your work profile at Deloitte, like as a facility executive?
It was not Deloitte, it was Dell.
Dell,
Um,
sorry,
yeah.
Dell. Yeah.
So in Dell, what I was is I used to do the moment I joined, 3 days they just made me work in day shift and they showed me this you have to do. And while interview itself, they told me that you will be doing only night shifts. So I said I
Hmm,
was okay with that. So that 2012 ka jo July का जो आई थिंक जुलाई 20th के बाद वाला पीरियड था, आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग नाइट शिफ्ट्स. And night shift, I was the only executive who used to handle around 1 million square feet of building, which has around 2,000 kind of workstations with 2-3 floors empty available, training rooms and cafeteria with Sodexo having their entire setup done with the Sodexo card wala issue, everything. So I have done the work in Dell. If you ask me how big was this work, आज की डेट में जो 10 लोग मिलके करते हैं एक ऑफिस में रह के, that responsibility was there at that time. I feel it because आपको राउंड्स लेना है सारी बिल्डिंग के. You need to ensure all the Sodexo cards are checked. You need to ensure cafeteria is clean and neat. You need to respond to emails. You are the only guy. There is no other backup for you. If any maintenance issue, you will take care. If any lift issue, you will take care. Anything to facilities, you are the only guy in night shift for 4,000 employees. And touchwood, not even one day, I think there is an escalation gone against me that this was not done from on that time also.
So do you think that because you got so many responsibilities in the beginning itself, that actually shaped you as a great professional in the later part of your career?
Definitely. I would say that yes. Converges. If you ask about my second innings, which was after Dell, I learned a lot there. I learned Dell में जो मैंने सीखा था, Converges में apply किया. People liked it. They gave me a free hand a little, and then I was learning a lot of things. If you ask me when I joined Converges, I was nowhere having any idea about POPR and because Dell में there is a separate department who takes care of procurement. But in Converges also there was a separate department. But यहाँ पे we have to get the 3 codes. We have to negotiate with the vendor and then give the lead to the procurement team, and they used to take care. But ये process है vendor management का, I started learning from Converges. Converges के पहले मैंने जो सीखा था was only operations, pure facilities operations.
And sir, in between this, did you get married also? Converges से पहले या Converges के बाद?
I got married very early, and it was a runaway bride marriage which I had. So I got married before I joined Dell.
Okay, you got married before your so it was the same religion marriage, or it was a different kind of, or you went outside your religion?
Religion was same, but as I told you, we are Gujarati Memons. It is called as Halai Memon. There is a community called as Halai Memon. You know Kutch in Gujarat?
Yeah, I know.
So we are from that place called as Kutch. We are called as Kutchi Memons.
Okay.
And we have our own community. We don't marry a girl from other communities. In Muslim also, we marry only in our community. But this was the case. She was a normal Dakhini Muslim from Mysore, and it was a love marriage, and it happened.
So your father must be very much against you, sir. Like, so how did you handle all that thing?
2-3 साल तक तुमको पता ही नहीं था. So these guys, my wife has around some brothers. So these guys actually big shots, like MLA के साथ में उठने बैठने वाले, and these kind of people, and very religious, peace and all these things. तो बहुत मतलब छिप छिप के भागे थे हम लोग. वो मतलब 1-2 महीने 3 महीने तो it was a different experience. But yeah, I learned from every experience.
Right, sir. अच्छा जाकिर सर, since you have worked across different locations, जैसे कि आपने हैदराबाद में काम किया, अभी आप गुड़गांव में भी हैं, so how difficult it is to adjust to different cultural circumstances everywhere, क्योंकि इंडिया तो कंट्री में तो आप 100 किलोमीटर जाते हो, आपका कल्चर चेंज हो जाता है.
Exactly.
तो कभी ऐसा डिफिकल्टी फेस हुआ कि डिफरेंट टाइप के लोगों को हैंडल करने में आपको डिफिकल्टी हो रही हो? हैदराबाद, गुड़गांव.
I would not say. Okay, first of all, I'm not in Gurgaon. I'm in Noida. So that is there. लेकिन मैं आपको अगर आप मुझे पूछते हो कि difficulty होती है, it is not difficulty. Yes, there is always a kind of little time you take to adjust with the team and get the work done. This is for the team members. If you ask me about the vendors, partners, Bangalore में if I do one call asking for a quote, I would get 10 in maximum 1 hour. हैदराबाद में मुझे अगर एक काम करवाना है, if I call the vendor, he will say कल आता हूँ, देखता हूँ, सोचता हूँ. So I need to plan my entire stuff of a project in such a way that I don't fall in front of management. तो मुझे पता है ये vendor जो है इतना late करने वाला है, and I get into the nitty-gritties and see, okay, on what basis are you saying these rates? If there is a delay, for example, a vendor says I will fix this office in 10 days, and I say, okay, when is the workstation coming? He says on 9th day. It is quite not possible. So I do this revise. I change my work style according to the people and get it done. So for example, I'll give you a small example now. We have 2 offices. One is ACS A in Noida and ACS B in Hyderabad. So my team is totally different. People in ACS A, people working under ACS A are totally different. People working under ACS B are totally different. But I need to ensure that इनको इसी तरह से handle करो और इनको इसी तरह से handle करो. I cannot mix both. Then I'll fall flat if I do that.
That is so true, sir. It's like so important to adjust your ways, sir. Then from Converges, you shifted to Cantor's Global Delivery Center.
Yeah.
Company kya hai, sir, and what was your role like? Like,
So
really want to.
Kantar's Global Delivery Center was, I'll tell you, my breakthrough to that middle management kind of industry, where I was from that executive officer, and you will in Converges I was an assistant manager when I quit. They call it as a senior officer, but that was an assistant manager role based on the grades, and I got a jump to see the straight senior manager in Kantar. And that manager मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया. So I was feeling happy because Kantar wanted somebody like me, and the way I presented things and the way I took projects. It was a tough round. Mr. Shamil Sharma, Rekha Narendra, HR head at that point of time, and these are the guys who took my interviews, and it was a tough thing. मेरे को थोड़ी देर के लिए इंटरव्यू में लगा मैं बकवास कर रहा हूँ, I'm going to fail. But I don't know, when they were asking questions, and then I was trying to adjust it, and the way I was trying to convince them with the projects what I have done, and it went out well. I was given offer in 3 hours, and that was a breakthrough from Bangalore to Hyderabad moving. This was the time when I moved from Bangalore to Hyderabad for Kantar, and senior manager joined as a senior manager in Kantar in 2012, and then 2014 I got a promotion as a deputy general manager. And 2016, Kantar did some changes into the designation process and all these things. So all the deputy
DGM.
general managers all were into director positions, and it was like that. So people who were like a manager was called as a senior manager. So that growth was there for every person in the company that at that point of time.
Right. And how was the experience at Kantar Global? This thing, sir, was actually different from Converges. The things which you were doing at Converges.
See, I was not even doing 1% of work in Kantar, what I was doing in Converges, but this was a lot of responsibility, a lot of pressure, a lot of people you have to answer. You have that people from the most senior management level, people from UK, US, everything. You are involved in calls. My boss is giving me empowerment to that extent. कभी कभी मुझे डर लगता था मैं ये कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, but his trust helped me to ensure कि नहीं मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. So that boss वाला जो help था मुझे, it started from Kantar.
So on this point, I've got a very kind of a question which is there inside the mind of most of the young professionals कि boss का trust कितना important होता है, क्योंकि boss का trust make and break कभी कभी होता है career में. What do you say, sir? Like मतलब
See, according to me, boss का trust नहीं होता, trust होता है तो सब पे होता है. And एक चाहिए, हो सकता है somebody has broke your trust, और हो सकता है sometimes there's a possibility that गलती से आपका ट्रस्ट टूट गया है, या somebody has done something wrong. I would say let's give chances. छोटी सी जिंदगी है. There's nothing wrong in saying sorry or finishing the thing and starting it again. So boss ka trust is not only the thing. Everyone has to trust everyone. Then only that culture. I tell my team always, मैं बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलता हूँ. We are a family. We all are a family. और family में ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. हम झगड़ा भी करेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे भी, हम आपको कभी गालियां भी दे देंगे, लेकिन उसी प्यार से रहेंगे जैसे एक फैमिली रहती है. So that is what is my culture. But my boss has given me all the trust and empowerment, and the similar thing I am transferring it down.
and leaders breed leaders, sir. Actually,
Very well said.
sir. So I would like you to talk a little bit more about the CSR thing which you did at Cantor. क्या था और मतलब इस पे क्या किया था आपने?
See,
The CSR.
I always feel मुझे goosebumps आते हैं जब उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ. तो I'm right now feeling goosebumps. It was 2012 only, I think December or November time. There was an orphanage called as Cherish Foundation. And these kids were from different religions. Caretaker called as David. He used to ensure that these kids things are taken care. He had a broken house. मतलब literally broken house kind of stuff. कपड़े यहाँ वहाँ पड़े हुए हैं, बच्चे नीचे सो रहे हैं. If a girl is going to a toilet, there is no privacy because the door is broken, and छत से पानी टपक रहा है, and no beds, no mattresses, no cupboards to keep clothes, uniform फटे हुए, all this, lot of issues were there. And the studies also this guy was taking care of, David. So what happens once we got this lead from one of the senior management from Kantar senior management from UK. So my boss, HR head, and me, we three were actually planning to go and donate a check to them, stating that okay. But we thought, let us go and have a check. So when we went there, we found this atmosphere. What I spoke right now: broken toilets, a girl sitting in toilet. It is no privacy. Then what else is? Nothing else is required. At
Right.
least वो तो fix कर दें हम.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then I went on the around the entire building and I saw there is nothing they need a money right now. They need is somebody who can fix these things. Okay, let us not give them money, sir. That's what I told my boss.
Hmm.
You give me that money, I will ensure this has been rectified, and we will go through a proper procurement process where we will call three vendors, we will take three quotations and give them options. Okay, we'll take tenders. Whoever is giving us the best price, we'll give them, and I'm sure we will be spending less than this, and the home will become nice. I don't know what boss did. He just approved it immediately. We took three quotations. So finance was involved. We did the entire process as we do in office. It took around 3.5 months to complete that process. And the last thing what happened when I went to it was we did a small kind of inauguration kind of thing for the place. And when in my from my office around 40-50 people we went there. There was a small kid called as Khushi over there at that point of time.
Hmm.
I remember her name. She just came running, hold my hand, and said, "Uncle, thank you for making our home a heaven."
Oh
And that
my
is the
God.
day I had tears in my eyes, and I
Hmm.
said, okay, मुझे लगा कि मेरे सारे गुनाह धुल गए हैं. That is what I felt.
Sir, sir, how important it is to be a great human being, because that is some attribute which seems to be specifically lacking. We become good professionals, but
Hmm.
we never great good human beings as such. Means we identify ourselves with different things, with religion, with caste, with culture, etc., etc. But we never try to be a good human being. Like what you told, sir, it's kind of an inspiration for all of us actually. And so do you have any advice, sir, which can be followed maybe inside the education system, which actually tells जो काम आपने उस समय किया, अगर इस सब चीजों को करने के लिए हम बच्चों को पहले से वी एक्चुअली give them a taste of it, do you think will be
Yeah,
producing better human?
yeah. So, see, exactly. If you ask me, there are different kind of human. Everyone has their own way of thinking, way of no, nobody to comment. But what I would say is, जो भी हो, जैसे भी हो, अगर आप किसी का दिल नहीं दुखा रहे हो,
Hmm.
and आप बस ये सोच रहे हो कि मैं उनको वही इज्जत दे रहा हूँ, मैं किसी और को दूंगा. I think that's more than enough for everything to run in a life in a peaceful way.
Okay.
Respect for individual again, and that one thing what I would tell you is yes, dil mat dukhao kisi ka. You know you what this by this action somebody is going to get hurt. Let's
Hmm.
avoid doing that. That's it, nothing else. Whatever you are doing, simplest thing of I'm not saying कि बच्चों की हर चीज सुन लो in that
Hmm.
family culture. जहाँ पे मना कर सकते हो कर दो, but दिल मत दुखाओ किसी का. Give the time to kids, give the time to family. Ensure you spend enough time with your team.
Hmm.
हफ्ते में एक बार खाने में बुला के taking this is for the leaders.
Hmm.
If every week you have a plan that okay, this day our entire team is going to have a lunch or dinner together, every week you have something like that, from the housekeeping boy till that boss, everyone sitting together and having that makes
Hmm.
that gives you a big smile on your face, that this is the force I have and this is the force I can trust on.
It is so true, sir. Sir, a little bit, about your journey, inside your professional life. So, since you have handled A to Z of facilities, I would say, like थोड़ा touch तो सबको किया ही है आपने. So, specifically talking about the transport part, sir, like what do you think are the major challenges which a facility person faces while managing the transport inside the company, especially for the employees?
See, if I directly just in small sentence, if I want to finish this answer,
Hmm.
we are very happy that companies, what you are in, and the other companies who are doing this automation, they have come up. Everyone is happy.
Hmm.
Maybe that ground level of transport team is not happy because they have that fear in mind कि मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी, मेरे को क्या काम होगा ये आने से. And that's what I told my team, डरो मत, किसी की नौकरी नहीं जाएगी. If this work is going away from you, we are giving you something else. I have enough of work for you.
Hmm.
So transport industry में the way this automation has come, it's like a miracle for us because it's a manual में कितने गड़बड़ होते थे. I know, I've seen it. Dell was entire manual.
Hmm.
Converge's starting phase of 3 years was entire. I was not directly handling these things. I handled transport only in Kantar. but I knew the entire process and the gimmick around that, how it has to be run. When I joined Hyderabad, I did not know even one area and where to go and what to go. But it was handled well. There were people who were appreciating from day one when we taking the initiatives. What we took were not reducing the route or reducing this. The initiative what we took was, okay, let us make the employee feel comfortable first, and then slowly start reducing wherever it is not required, whatever is not required. Explain them this is the reason we are not doing it, and touch wood, people still appreciate in Kantar that transport was handled very well when I was working there. It is still handled well. I'm not saying anything. But yes, that was the phase that I started where around, I think, 3.5 lakhs. The first month I joined the company, I saved that monthly cost to them, and I told them, why do you want to unnecessarily waste on this? Remove that. So you don't have to be expert in transport, but yes, if you just think otherwise for projects as you think, let us comfort the employee and ensure the cost is as minimal as possible. You guys are the best persons to that to handle that work.
That is such a nice thing, sir. Like, I feel proud that I'm into this sector and I'm actually talking to you. And this is the reason why I got connected to you. And I still thank God, like I got connected to you, and I've learned a lot from you as well, sir. Acha, sir, tell me one thing, like ki inside this all the COVID thing, na, matlab, many of the offices have started working from home. What do you think, sir? Like, employee transportation is going to take a hit, or it's going to come back sooner or later?
I would feel it is going to come back in a big way because people would not like to touch each other and sit now. That era is gone. I don't think I see people outside right now, but ये IT industry में वो थोड़े नखरे वाले लोग ही होते हैं. If you know, मेरे घर पे washroom में कुछ भी नहीं होगा, but I would expect always to have a toilet paper in the office. Right? That is what I am also. I'm not blaming anyone here or not criticizing anyone. That is what we are into. तो आईटी इंडस्ट्री में ये ट्रांसपोर्ट का बहुत बढ़ने वाला है बिकॉज देन यू विल इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग एन इंडिका यू विल वांट ऑल इनोवास टू हैंडल द शो because then you will have around 4 or 5 people sitting in Innova far away from each other, and that is what the safety is also, we think now.
Right. So you believe that the scope is not going to get smaller.
It gets bigger.
It will get bigger. And why do you think, sir, it will get bigger? Because of the COVID thing, like all the things that need to be followed?
Not only COVID. If you see the recent news on Hyderabad, I saw it's growing haywire. Hyderabad. इतने ऑफिसेस जब लोग ले रहे हैं तो obviously they might have considered the transportation cost into mind, and that's a basic need, I would say. आप employee को घर से जब उठाते हो and they are into your hands from there itself, so I would say every company has to give transport to the employee. Cut down cost somewhere else ना. Switch off your AC for 1 hour in a day and see how much you save there. उसमें आपके 2-3 कैब का खर्चा निकल जाएगा. So cut down cost somewhere else, give them transport. They would feel special. जब किसी के घर पे गाड़ी पिकअप करने आती है और ड्रॉप करने जाती है ना, वो फैमिली से ही वो मतलब फील आता है कि मेरे घर पे मेरे बच्चे को गाड़ी लेके जाती है और छोड़ती है. That special feeling is there. So I would say companies should do this. Every employee should be entitled to have a transport.
Yeah, sir. Special say I've got a question in mind. So I've been talking to a number of people, and so one feedback that I get from everywhere is that facilities is something ना जिसको जो कि ना मतलब unthankful kind of a job. People don't appreciate it that much. कि जैसा आपने बोला कि टॉयलेट क्लीन आपको मिल गया, किचन अच्छी मिल गई. Usually people start taking it on an excuse. गाड़ी आ रही है. Nobody goes and sees कि back end पे कितना operations चलता है और कितना उसको handle करना पड़ता है. Have you felt like this way, sir, anywhere?
This is my favorite question, and thanks for asking it. The answer is a little long, but it will give you a clear perspective. Okay, what is that a facilities team should actually do?
Sure.
So, according to the market or according to the employees, not wherever I have worked, because those people know now what all facilities can do. People who have not worked with, according to them, facilities is ensuring the housekeeping is clean and neat, no pest in office, ensure that all the paperwork and the printers and this thing is maintained well. खाना अगर देना है तो टाइम पे दे दो, चाय कॉफी रख दो, पानी अरेंज कर दो, एसी चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, लिफ्ट चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, मैक्सिमम 10 more things like this. That is what facilities is. But according to me, this is not facilities. This is part of the job. This is a small part of the job of the facilities team. So what according to me, facilities is in today's era is facilities is the department who can cut down your attrition rate of any company. I know this going above your head maybe. I'll tell you why. So I can prove it to you that अगर आप अच्छी सी ऑफिस बनाते हो and you give this kind of small things like your office में आपका security वाला हमेशा सुबह जाते हो तो स्माइल करता है, And when you're going, he says you good night, good evening. And when a pantry boy is always greeting you. And the office का atmosphere हमेशा ऐसा है कि bright है and this है that है. I am sure छोटे मोटे increment के लिए कोई जाएगा नहीं. खाना अच्छा मिल रहा है अगर खाना दे रहे हो तो. Coffee tea has good. So in Kantar, what we did was we had a budget of 1,50,000 towards this coffee tea machine budget. And this was discussion happening with boss के ये है ये करना है करके. So I told boss, you give me 1.5 lakhs only, but I'll keep 4 more things with this. तो उसका खर्चा बढ़ नहीं जाएगा. उन्होंने सर 2-3 महीने बढ़ेगा. After that it will come down. So what's your plan? He asked me. I said, sir, instead of only keeping coffee machine, we will also keep a green tea machine. We will also keep a coke machine next to that. जो आदमी green tea पी रहा है वो कॉफी तो नहीं पिएगा. जो ठंडा कोक पी रहा है वो कॉफी नहीं पिएगा. So either of one thing will go. And imagine how good the employee will feel कि भाई मैं अपने पैंट्री में जाता हूँ. I get 3 options. If I want to have coffee, tea, chocolate milk, सब कुछ है. कॉफी डे का अच्छा वाला कॉफी भी है, चाय भी है, दूध फ्रेश मिल्क वाला. You also have coke, you also have green tea, and it became so huge. Induction में लोग बोलने लगे. There were people from various companies who came. One or two of the induction people have told me we have not seen this kind of facility anywhere, and it was very small initiative. Cost increment nahi hua, and you get more options. So employees will feel happy when you try to do things differently. So in ACS, what we did recently is we were planning to give gifts for Diwali, and the plan was to give the Diwali gift as a voucher. That's the simplest thing. Now Amazon ko book kar do, give them. They will send us online, and it is done. Which is, I will tell you, half an hour's job for me, or 45 minutes. My job is done. Everyone gets their voucher, and they are happy. सबको पैसे मिल गए, सब खुश हैं. So I just suggested boss, we'll give that whatever we have thought to give them money and all these things. We'll not give that much amount. Let us reduce that amount and let us give some company branded stuff to them. Boss said, good idea. Go ahead. What is the budget? And we worked on all those things and everything. Finally, boss said, go ahead. And before going ahead, I said, sir, let us personalize this. What do you mean by personalize? He asked me, sir, everything will have the name of individual employee. He said, what has happened to you? 1800 लोगों का, you will try and sit and match and all these things. I said, हो जाएगा, sir. What will happen? We'll do it. So I took help of my team, vendors, everybody were like into this. Sitting at the home, we were trying to sort out all these things. Finally, Diwali ke din, I don't think even one box was delivered. But मेरे boss ने मुझे एक बार भी नहीं बोला क्या हो रहा है, because he knew background में कितना काम चल रहा है. And the product came out so well. Even still, till date, there are around 100 pieces or 150 pieces which had to get delivered because of the courier being so much of huge jam-packed things inside the courier agency. Everyone is doing this. Gifts दे रहे हैं, online industry, online transactions, मतलब on couriers and all these things is too huge. I personally went to 3 or 4 courier companies to see what is the status. They are saying अंदर है, जब तक ये खत्म नहीं होगा हम उसको शुरू नहीं करेंगे. And it's after Diwali I'm getting these responses. So it was not anyone's fault. I would take it as on me. If we would have not done this personalized thing, if we would have not got this gift also, people would have been very happy. I don't mind showing you. This is the box which we created for all employees. This box had around 10-12 items into this, all packed inside this, and all had logos of ACS. So it was a huge box with some gift card also, which had money into it. Money matlab, you can procure gifts from that.
The vouchers and all.
Vouchers and all. But whoever is receiving it, Rishi, believe me, they are feeling never before like that. They are like, I have messages, people are saying, wow, this is the gift, what a nice gift. So many things. Even the gift card, what we gave was personalized.
Sir, I saw a lot of posts on LinkedIn as well. Everybody from ACS, सब लोग इतना proudly post कर रहे थे. I felt so nice. मतलब कि सबने post किया कि ACS ने मतलब इतना बढ़िया gift हमको मिला है दिवाली के टाइम पे.
अगर ये कोई और कंपनी होती ना ऋषि,
हाँ,
I'm not blaming any company. I'm just saying अगर कोई strict company होती या be it any other company, they would have literally taken this very seriously. या दिवाली हो गई अभी तक gifts नहीं गए. I just explained this was the problem and this is what it is. Nobody has questioned me. And thank you to everyone whoever did that. But एक आदमी ने भी मेरे को मतलब ऐसे नहीं बोला ये क्या हो रहा है, दिवाली हो गई और अभी तक गिफ्ट नहीं आया है. They are understanding. When we are telling them this is the issue, everyone is understanding and everyone knows because they are seeing on LinkedIn, as you rightly said, they are waiting eagerly for the gifts. I am getting calls, started getting direct calls. People asking, "Mera gift kahan hai? Mera gift kahan hai?" I have told my team is tracking. We'll give it to you. But this is what I'm saying. When things are there, when you have time, if you don't have time also, le lo, challenges le lo. When you take challenges, it comes out well. I'm telling you, the gift card had the name written on it with ACS solution, which was embossed like a credit card. We went to that extent. जब पैसे दे रहे हैं तो I know how to squeeze the vendors. So when I'm giving money, I know जितना निकाल सकता हूँ मैं निकालूंगा उनसे to ensure that company is happy, our employees are happy. Similarly, everybody can do it. Small examples. हमने एक छोटा सा project किया जहाँ पे we showed that if we do this thing, we are saving so much of paper. So simple thing here. I made a form on Microsoft and QR coded it, and we have put that in all places of office. So it's a real-time facilities resolution system at zero cost into the facility. So people go scan. For example, on a workstation, you will have a QR code scanner. They scan it, and there are options there. My chair has issue, my light has issue, my AC has issue. Whatever they feel, whatever we can put there. Inside washroom, we have it. Washroom not clean, leakage. Anything you want to say, anything you have a feedback, give it then and there instead of going to your seat, writing email or calling somebody. Somebody will track that form. Immediately, somebody will come to you, and real-time resolution will be done. And it is. We have done this in Kantar, and I initiated this in ACS, but due to pandemic, it stopped. The offices are not open, but we are ready with this. So once employees come, they'll really feel happy. So these are
But
the
sir,
small things. If we do, I am
hmm.
sure facilities can do many more things. The parties what I have arranged, I feel proud to say there are people who will vouch for it and say कि भाई इस तरीके की party अगर हो ना तो people will not leave and go the company. These are the things which has come out.
That's a completely great perspective that you have talked about, sir. People should start calculating what's the attrition cost and, vis-a-vis to the spent on the facilities, right?
Agree.
Because that can be a great metrics, right? So, like,
One thing
and
I'll tell you to add to just one thing.
hmm,
If a facility person thinks on the right direction,
hmm,
whatever his entire team's salary is, he can show that saving in every year. Every year there can be a saving. Small things. CFLs change to LEDs.
hmm,
Ensuring that our carpet shampooing cost is saved by putting good mats at the entrance of the reception and inside the lifts, so that your dust or foot is captured in the lifts only. It's not coming inside the floor.
hmm.
Ensuring simple thing like rerouting instead of doing rerouting and all these things. Change the concept of billing. Make it trip-wise if it is kilometer wise, and see there are a lot of ways to save cost. But keeping in mind the employee satisfaction. Not if I start saving cost for everything, then employee satisfaction will go for a toss.
Yeah. So, but my gift is actually pending because even Rootmatic considers to be a part of ACS only. I think so.
I'm telling you, there is a plan, and you all will get surprised. There is a plan. ये सारा employees का खत्म हो जाए सबके लिए है. We have planned something for all.
अच्छा सर एक छोटा सा सेक्शन like 1 or 2 minutes. How has been your experience working with Rootmatic till now?
As I told you in starting itself, you guys have come up in the industry and giving us so much of peace. There's nothing like that. But one thing I'll tell you, every partner is separate in their cities and state. I have seen Rootmatic. I've worked with Rootmatic in Kantar. I know how Rootmatic is in Noida. I have heard about Rootmatic in Bangalore. My lot of contacts are there. Um, you guys have a standard performance. It's like you are consistent. I have not heard something like yeah Rootmatic को देख के फायदा नहीं. I have heard about other companies, but
Hmm,
people say that हाँ हम लोग बोलते हैं सुनते हैं and we rectify that. There are issues. Everyone will have issues, but
hmm.
your support team and your service team and people from behind, of course, you sales team. जब तक मिलता नहीं हो आप छोड़ते भी नहीं हो. तो मिल गया उसके बाद you ensure your team, you follow up with your team. And the way I'll give you an example, ACS में जो आपने जियो फेंसिंग किया था एम्प्लॉइज का एंड you did what is that address का जियो फेंसिंग किया था सारे एम्प्लॉइज का. You gave 2 members to our team who
Hmm.
sat and did that work. Amazing coordination. I never felt like uh, it was a vendor client relationship or nothing. They themselves used to send emails. We gave them the freedom. Okay, you said tell us what you want. They used to come and sit. My team was comfortable working with you. I think you guys go up to the extent कि आपकी team को train कर रहे हो कि client से कैसे बात करते हैं. You are doing all those things is what I feel.
And sir, ये तो सर सब सारी अच्छी अच्छी बातें होगी बट कुछ ऐसा इम्प्रूवमेंट एरियाज जहां पे हम लोग कहीं पे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं 1-2 पॉइंट्स जो आपको लगते हैं.
Yep, a very important point. Don't take it as an advice. I'm not that big to give you an advice, but still, I'll tell you. Um, for example, I'm giving you a business in ACS in one of the buildings in Hyderabad, GAR.
Hmm,
So you can cut down your cost by ensuring that you get more business in the same building.
hmm,
And how is that is going to be is every company's employees will have different time zones and different hours of operation and something like that. They have everybody is different. But by doing this, you can help the client save cost and you can gain more. if you have that complete control of all the vendors. I'm not sure why you guys are. I heard that you are starting to do that. Have you
Hmm.
started or not? I don't know. Where complete transport operation is your baby. You will
Yes.
give us four vendors. We pay you at one shot, and those four vendors को आप देखते हो. We don't take care of those four vendors.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It runs like that. अब ये आप जब करोगे, if you do it for one company, it is going to be a little expensive cost. But if you do in same building, you have around 4 or 5 companies, or maybe in same vicinity, you have around 10 companies who you have contract with. Rather than having 10 various places, if you just concentrate your business here and give the client that confidence that the cost will be too much difference. Rishi, I've done this. That's the reason I'm telling.
Hmm.
You save 30% of your cost by just doing that back-to-back calculation with other companies or our company only or whatever it is there. That
Hmm.
back-to-back calculation, if it is done properly, you will save minimum 30% on what cost that can be given to client.
That is right. So that that is that is a suggestion on which we have already taken some steps, sir. Actually, we are working on back to back thing as well with some of our clients, and this thing, the same building wala thing, na, sir, will completely take this into consideration and we'll start working on this
Great, great.
with your help, obviously, because
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
need your
yeah,
feedback
yeah.
every time.
Sure, sure. I
Acha, sir,
love that
like,
system. Yeah, Rootmatic
uh,
wala jab wo naya system. You were the first ones to start, right? The feedback driver feedback system.
yes,
After
yes,
you,
sir.
I remember your competitors had started in Bangalore and everywhere. That every trip, every employee has a right to give the feedback to driver, and driver has the right to give a feedback to the employee. तो
Employee,
दोनों
yeah.
की मतलब I would literally say दोनों की हालत ऐसी ही होगी कि if I better behave properly or else I'll get escalated. So that was a very good move which Rootmatic took.
Yeah. Sir, means, let us go a little bit to your personal life as well. So you've been married for a long time. So what about your kids, and how old are they?
Okay, so my first kid was born in 2006. I named her Zainab. She is right now 14.
Hmm.
14 हो गया 13 है actually 2006 December था 13 years हो गई है
No, this is
and
back, sir. You cannot forget the age.
नहीं 2006 to 2020 I'm saying it is 13 or 14 I was calculating
हाँ.
2006 is for sure I'm saying
Yes.
2020 तक is it December में है तो 2013 रख लो आप
Hmm.
13 years रख लो
Yes, sir.
she is I would say carbon copy of me
Hmm.
I don't know why she's a girl the way
Hmm.
she does things or the way she behaves or the way she wants things she should have been a boy only for sure but
Hmm.
she calls herself as a tomboy her name is
Hmm.
Zainab Hussain
Hmm.
she was good into tennis and all these things. Suddenly, after this pandemic, everything is changed. So, घर से बैठ के पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. I don't know what will happen after the schools open now.
Hmm.
बच्चे कैसे स्कूल जाएंगे कैसे शुरू होगा वापस we don't know what our employees are going to do how will I tell you what the kids will do this is the
Hmm.
situation of my elder one the younger one is 5 years old her name is Zara Hussain very naughty I would tell you again you tell her not to do this and she will show you how to do it
Hmm. So she's also your exact carbon copy, or sir, she's not on you?
she's four hands top of me.
And so, any plans for your kids? Like, do you see them? Do you have a uh, kind of an exact plan for them, or you want them to explore the things and then decide by their own self, like, what they want to do?
See, I from childhood had a feeling in my mind कि डॉक्टर्स को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है दुनिया
Hmm.
में या फिर समाज में डॉक्टर्स गेट मोर
Hmm.
रिस्पेक्ट और एल्स इट शुड बी समथिंग above that level where people बोलते हैं ना people stand up and salute you whatever
Hmm.
you are or give respect when you go people stand and shake hands with you that itself is more than enough I just tell my daughters always do something people should respect you that wow ये साधारण काम नहीं है so I've told her you can be a doctor be a pilot I would support you if you want to be a pilot so my younger one says I'll be a pilot I don't know just because she's too young and listening to me and that's the reason she's saying that but she
Hmm.
wants to be a pilot my elder one says I'll try to be a doctor dad but don't worry I'll do something good so that's what her this thing is
That is a great stuff, sir. Because, sir, do you think that these small kids, once they get into the 10th or 11th standard, they don't take a more informed career decision because they are being driven by a number of other things. तो इनके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं सर, ये ताकि ये अच्छा करियर डिसीजन ले पाए? समथिंग विच यू वुड हैव थॉट अबाउट, कभी अपने लाइफ से
देखिए
कंपेयर करके
मैं क्या
कभी?
बताता हूँ पता है मैं क्या बताता हूँ गो विद द फ्लो बच्चों पे मतलब जबरदस्ती मत करो हो सकता है बच्चा पढ़ाई में अच्छा हो बट अभी पढ़ना नहीं चाहता है जब जब उसका टाइम आएगा पढ़ लेगा ट्राई फ्रॉम योर एंड ट्राई टू गिव देम गुड लाइफ ट्राई टू पुश देम But ज़्यादा भी push मत करो. You know what kids are doing these days. So that should not be the case. Let us leave them alone and let them live there. 18 साल के बाद आप कितना रोकोगे उनको? 18 or 20 whatever time they finish their, I think 18, 17, 18 में होता है. But it's not the age when you put pressure on them. Let them do whatever they want to do. I'm not saying the wrong things, the career decisions. If they fail, it's okay. 2 साल 1 साल गया हुआ है, then they will come back to you and say, okay, ठीक है, dad, you were right, or mom, you were right. Let us do this now. But kids have to come back in that way. So give that freedom to your kids. If they do something wrong, they should come and tell you openly, मेरे से ये गलती हुई है, how do I sort it out? They should come to you and tell it. So build that relationship first and everything will go all right.
Right. And so one more question, about this corporate politics, क्योंकि बहुत सारे cases में employees leave the company just because they are not, going well with their boss.
Yeah.
इसको handle कैसे करें? क्योंकि आपके साथ भी हुआ ही होगा सर, कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ तो हुआ ही होगा ऐसा.
बहुत हुआ है. See, again, my boss has taught me one thing: backbiting avoid करो अपनी टीम में और खुद भी avoid करो. जहां भी कोई backbiting करता है उसको पूछो कि फायदा क्या हो रहा है तुम्हें इसके पीछे बात करके. Go to him, sit in his room and talk to him and finish it off. And similarly, I guided my team. They were always there. See, I had a team of around on rolls of company around 10, 12 people always. So there is always a misunderstanding or some kind of difference of opinion between the team members. And if you try to take support of one person, the other person gets upset. So that is called as politics, I say. If I go with to have tea with one person regularly, I am a good smoker. So what happens is when I go to tea, I will make sure that somebody is smoker comes with me rather than a non-smoker comes with me, because I enjoy if he's smoking, I'm smoking. Okay, दोनों फूक रहे हैं. But team thinks this another way. Different level of people have different kind of mindset. So they will feel कि अच्छा ये इसका favorite है, ये बार बार इसके साथ घूमता है, ये इसको तो कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. Everything is there. But professionally, when we work and when we literally sit for the PMR, performance management review, it is as tough as equal to everyone what a lowest level person is getting or what I am getting. My boss asked me a question, show me what all you have done. So politics is always there. Let us avoid doing those backbiting things. Let us sit in front of each other and talk. That will solve a lot of problems. वो डर है लोगों के दिल में अभी भी वो old fashioned work of style के how can I talk to him? How can I speak to this guy? What will he think if I do this? So this kind of atmosphere thinking is not going away. ये leaders को लेना पड़ेगा decision to ensure that the team is happy. So what we did, a small thing, recently we had a Diwali Mela. And I told boss, let us do one thing. Let us perform. Let all leaders perform something for all our employees. He said, क्या करेंगे leaders? Because leaders थोड़े शर्मीले हैं. Somebody has the rapport. So I said, let me try, sir. Let me try something. He said, why dance? Why not something else, skit or something? I said, sir, now I don't have time. This is the easiest thing. I have something in my mind. Let me create it. Rishi, you will not believe the output is so awesome. The mindset of employees, our bosses are so cool. And that is more than enough for somebody to open the door and come and tell you, sir, I have this problem. Approachable. This is making you approachable. So be cool. Do some kind of activities for your team. Leadership team is always looked upon. Acha, I'll tell you, when I was in Noida very recently, when I joined Noida, I was having chai and sutta outside the office. There was some tall guy coming from behind, and the person who was having chai and sutta was my team member only. So इशारे में दोनों की बात हो रही है, वो ऐसे ऐसे करके कुछ किया. So who is he? Something like that he did, and मेरे को side से दिख रहा है. So he said something, I didn't see it, and then he looked at me from top and bottom. He came to me and said, "Sir, इतनी छोटी उम्र में डायरेक्टर कैसे बन गया?" This is the way he asked me. I laughed at him. भाई उम्र क्या होती है? People work hard and they get it, and नसीब भी होता है. I'm not saying that. Thank you God for giving me this route so easily that I could reach here. I feel I'm a child of destiny. So मिल रहा है, चल रहा है.
नहीं sir, you are a child of destiny, but your attitude towards life has been fabulous, and there's a lot to learn from you. Sir, what are your plans? Like 5-10 साल में आगे का कुछ सोचा है आपने कि आगे कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है आगे?
वही है, मतलब थोड़ा सा, मतलब I'll not say टेंशन, थोड़ा सा वरी है कि लाइफ में अभी 10-15 साल ही बचे हैं, जो भी बचे हैं, मतलब नॉट एंटायर लाइफ, द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. I think max 50-60 is the deadline for retirement something, but I don't think 10-15 साल के बाद वो एनर्जी भी रहेगा हमें काम करने के लिए. So whatever I have is I should be ensuring ये 10-15 साल में I have to do it and close my professional career and ensure I'm ready for the next level of whatever business, or I want to relax and enjoy my life, retirement life, what is there. But I have to ensure this 15 years or 10 years, what is there in my life, I do the best, whatever I have done till now, and ensure I bring out the best in me, and I feel proud sometimes when people come and appreciate for small little things. तो वो मुझे kick देता है. Somebody comes and appreciates. Somebody gives a feedback. I get a kick. I like it. They say this is not the right way to handle. I like to sit with them and chat. Okay, you give me an idea. What is that you think is the right way to handle this? Not on the fight mode. On the mode of thinking that shayad he has a better idea than me, and that can help me. That helps me a lot. So
Right.
next 15 years, I'm sure, at least 10 years, you will see the similar kind of performance or better than this for sure. उसके बाद तो रब रखा है.
So $1 million question, like, especially for young people who want to get into facilities and all, while you recruit, what are some of the important characteristics that you see inside a person?
Only one thing which I see is the person जुगाड़ू. Facilities में जुगाड़ू रहना बहुत जरूरी है. जुगाड़ू, let me be very specific. A person, when a job is given to him, he knows what has to be done to close it, how he has to close it. If it is not closed, whom he has to go and speak. If still it is not closed, whom he has to come and tell that this work will not happen, what time he has to tell. So all this is jugaad. You have taken up a responsibility, you're not able to deliver. If you go and tell your boss, I'm not able to deliver because of this reason, nobody is going to kill you. So that attitude has to be that I am there to do this work and I will do anything and everything. If you have in mind, I will take care of only maintenance, I will not touch housekeeping, it will not work out. If you think that I will sit on system and only do billing, it will not work out. You have to dirty your hands and go sometimes you have to go and show your housekeeping teams how to swipe. You have to do it. Believe me, trust me, after that, the respect goes on next level. So when you literally show that that your mind is towards improving this company, facilities is what? Is everything. Anything and everything. IT is there, HR is there, everything is there. But facilities में सब कुछ आ जाता है. IT वाले system laptop मंगवाते हैं, they configure it, they give it to their hand. अब उसके बाद, for example, in this pandemic, delivering to the employees, how we have delivered desktops, we have delivered chairs to employees. So a lot of things are there. Transport system, आपका जो cost saving initiatives, your employee engagement. That is one of my biggest strengths. I would tell you one more strength which I have is employing. I'm very good at employee engagement. I know how to which event has to be turned into what and what has to be done there that the employees are happy, employees feel special. So वो चीजें जानने में थोड़ा time लगता है, but once you get that, I would say वो जब दुखती रख पकड़ लेते हो ना आप, that you know that your employees are happy if there is a stand-up comedian here, example, and you put a stand-up comedian there, that becomes a big huge party. So चलता है अच्छा खासा, but you have to think differently. You cannot think like a normal. I'm not saying normal over here. You cannot think like a housekeeping supervisor कि मैं सिर्फ इसको सफाई करके रखना चाहता हूँ. तुम सफाई के अलावा इसको क्या कर सकते हो? कैसे सफाई कर सकते हो? उसको कैसे publish कर सकते हो? How do you show people that this is what I have done? Is what more important is nowadays.
Right. And this is valid in most of the jobs, है ना? मतलब हर एक job में अगर अच्छा करना है तो.
Exactly. I feel so. Everywhere you have to do it. Think differently. See, there is no harm in trying. I'm sure every company is giving one chance to you do mistakes. We are there for you. We will help you out to solve it. But don't do repeated mistake and don't do intentional mistake where you know something wrong is happening.
Yeah, that is right. Sir, so any role model in your life, कभी सोचा कि इसके जैसा बनना है या इससे कुछ प्रेरणा लियो, some inspiration?
बहुत है, but one inspiration for me which is there and always my heart, mind, everywhere. I would actually, I would say I actually met him and I was shocked. For 30 seconds, I was shocked. Inside the lift, I didn't ask his selfie or autograph. And after he get out of the lift, मेरे को होश आया. So it was Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, my idol, first idol. It is a celebrity idol. Okay, the person who is like whom I talk to daily and whom I work with daily, my boss. He's my Shamil Sharma. He's the CEO right now at ACS Solutions. He was an MD earlier in Canada. He's a role model for me. मैं तो यहाँ तक भी देखता हूँ कि वो कैसे किस्म की शर्ट पहनते हैं in what kind of meetings, so that next time I can ensure that I fit that and I try to look like him. I try to copy him. I don't have any shame in saying I try to copy him and I try to be like him.
That's such a nice thing, sir. मतलब ये ना मेरे जो previous boss थे ना उनको मैं बहुत copy करता था, तो उन्होंने ऐसा बोला था मेरे से, and he was also the CEO for Sterlite Power. So he told me, Rishikesh, there's nothing wrong in copying, because once you start copying great people, you actually start imbibing those qualities as well.
Wow, well said. Yeah, nice. Agreed,
That's right,
actually.
man.
Agreed, yeah. But
जैसे कि
most of
there
the
will be a
boss,
number of people who will not agree to this thing कि नहीं मैं उसको कॉपी करता हूँ, या करते होंगे बट वो एग्री नहीं करते इस बात को.
हाँ, एग्री नहीं करते हैं. राइट, वेरी राइट सर. नहीं, मेरा कॉपी यहाँ तक होता है कि आई ट्राई टू सी हिज ईमेल्स एंड सी कितना अच्छा लिखा है उन्होंने, इसमें से मैं क्या उठा सकता हूँ. समटाइम्स आई गो टू हिज social media accounts, what he has, and see, okay, he's done a good thing. I should try doing this. So I copy to that extent to my boss because he is my role model.
So, and even I like him a lot, sir, because the way he actually talks with
You've met
all the
him.
vendors also, that's like fabulous. Like I've seen very less people, like him or like you, talking and giving a lot of respect and, following all the timelines and all the things. This is such a great professional way of working. So it has been a great, experience for me as well working with ACS, and especially with you, sir.
Good to hear that. Good. I'm just learning from my boss, guys. That's sorry, Rishi. I'm just learning from my boss. There was my ex-boss in Convergys. Unfortunately, he's no more now. He had a heart attack. Mr. Victor Rodriguez. He gave me that kick of when you make somebody happy, the blushing in eyes. He gave me that kick. He showed me, like we were standing at a signal and having chai sutta. He was a senior guy. He was a senior manager at that point of time, and I was not even an executive. Yeah. I was an executive when I joined Convergys, senior executive, and we were smoking outside. And he told, "तेरे को खुशी देखनी है?" बोला, "हाँ सब देखनी है." करके. So there's a blind guy standing there, and he just holded his hand, crossed the road, and उस तरफ से देख के बोला, "इधर देख इसको." And he showed me his face. He was just thanking, but वो खुशी दिख रही थी कि somebody has come to help me. And then I saw the same खुशी in Victor's face. That is what gave me a kick कि भाई जो कर रहा है उसको भी खुशी हो रही है, जो ले रहा है उसको भी खुशी हो रही है. Why shouldn't we try it? And that is when that started kick के let us change. पहले मैं जब rounds पे जाता था, I still remember कैमरा में चेक होता था कि जाकिर उड़ गया है. Zakir is going towards that side. This was told on walkie-talkies. Sometimes my team doesn't know that I keep the walkie-talkie in my pocket, so they used to do that. So जहाँ पे मैं जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे जो होना है, जैसे कि security guard सोया हुआ है कभी पे तो किसी को डर लग रहा है उठ के खड़ा हो गया. All these things were there. Later when this day, I don't remember the exact date, when Victor Rodriguez का ये केस हुआ मेरे साथ, I changed my working style completely. मतलब कोई सो रहा है तो मैं बोलता हूँ घर जाके सो जा, यहाँ क्यों सो रहा है? Ask your manager to send somebody else. You're not well. What has happened? I go into पहले क्या करता था, इसको निकालो दूसरे को लेके आओ. That was my adamant mind, and that was what I was, and this is what I am right now.
Such an inspiration, sir. So thank you for joining us. And this has been a very enlightening session for me as well as for all the audience who is going to listen to this interview. And especially for people who want to get into facilities, and also for those people who want to excel and who think that anything can actually prevent them from excelling. So I would like to quote one, small line which you told, sir. Take up the challenges. Once you take those challenges, that will, help you crack that challenge as well. So take it up anyhow, and then find out ways of doing that.
Perfect. Have the will to do it. That's it.
Have the will to do it. Yes. Thank you, sir. And since ma'am is not there, so obviously you would like to have some free time with your friends.
Yeah. There is a plan actually. 9 o'clock we are going to Prism today, so it's already booked.
And meet you soon, sir. Sir, come back soon to Noida, and we'll be meeting soon.
We will. Thank you, Rishi. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I really enjoyed it. This is the first time मेरे को लगा मेरा इंटरव्यू कौन लेना चाहता है, क्यों लेना चाहता है. Then when I went and saw your little interviews, I got happy. कि भाई, I can use this source of people knowing me better. That's it. And why shouldn't I do it? And that's what I accepted to do this. And thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Absolutely. I'm so grateful, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you. Take care, sir.
Bye.